Your social media feed is probably blowing up with people claiming they just scored a massive haul of luxury skincare for absolutely nothing. We see these shiny tubes of lip gloss and designer sunscreens listed for $0, and something in our brain just short circuits. It is the classic lure of the freebie. This specific site, called Sampletok Store, is making some incredibly bold promises right now. They have a shop page that looks like a beauty lover's dream come true. Fragrances, premium serums, and high-end makeup are all sitting there with a price tag of 0. The site claims they just want people to explore and try new things. It sounds like a revolutionary way to shop, but we have to pull back the curtain and look at the gears grinding underneath. When you look at the digital footprint of this place, the red flags start flying everywhere. Online safety platforms are giving this site a rock-bottom trust score. That is a massive warning sign that should make anyone pause before entering their shipping info. This website is brand new. It appeared out of nowhere. It is currently being hosted on a server that is known for housing some very unreliable and suspicious pages. Think about how the world actually works for a second. Why would a billion-dollar beauty brand give away thousands of full-size products to a random third-party site instead of just using their own massive marketing budget? They wouldn't. It makes zero financial sense. These sites are often just elaborate traps designed to harvest your most sensitive personal information. They want your name. They want your home address. They want your email and your phone number. Sometimes they use these free offers as a way to force you into taking endless surveys that lead nowhere. Other times they just redirect you to shady promotional offers that have nothing to do with the lip gloss you wanted. You think you are getting a free gift? But you are actually the product being sold to data brokers. It is a classic bait and switch. The excitement of a deal can blind us to the reality of the digital landscape. If a deal looks like a miracle, it is probably a mirage. You should always go directly to the official brand website if you want real samples. Legitimate companies have their own loyalty programs and mailing lists for that exact reason. They don't need a middleman with a low trust score to give away their inventory. Being cautious isn't about being cynical. It is about being smart with your identity in a world where data is more valuable than gold. Don't let the flash of a $0 price tag lead you into a data trap. If the site is new and the server is crowded with bad actors, you need to walk away. Protect your information and keep your expectations grounded in reality. Real luxury brands value their products far too much to just hand them out like confetti on a street corner to total strangers. Stay sharp and keep your data safe. Every time you find a site like this, ask yourself what they are actually getting out of the deal. If they aren't getting your money, they are getting something much more dangerous. They are getting access to you. They are getting a way into your inbox and your personal life. It isn't worth a small tube of free lotion that might never even show up in the mail. Be the person who does the research first. Look for those official, verified sources. When the deal feels too good to be true, your intuition is usually right on the money. Turn that skepticism into a shield and do not let the promise of a freebie compromise your digital security. The internet is full of traps, but you can navigate it safely by looking past the hype.